We back at it, man. We back at it. Hope y'all had a good weekend. But the week starts now. It starts Sunday. F Monday. We're gonna start today. Just gonna give y'all a short, brief breakdown of what I'm looking at for the week. I want to get this straight. Every single pair that I'm analyzing today are all the pairs that I trade. I currently trade all of these pairs, so you don't have to ask me in the comments. I trade all of these pairs actively. So let's get straight into it. First pair is UJ. So UJ as well as all the JPY pairs that I've been trading recently. They all seem to be trending upwards as they all are pretty correlated with each other. Now, as of right now, I need to take away a lot of these markups. I think it's very important to clear your charts. A lot of times when you have too much, I think it's important to keep a clean chart sometimes. Like you want to have a clear headspace and have clean charts. It kind of helps you with that. But yeah, let me take that off. Okay, so obviously we are bullish. Let's start on the weekly. We kind of reached this area of support, and this is followed by a lot of exhaustion with this bearish candle, exhaustion on the bottom, and we have a bullish candle, closed bullish with a lot of exhaustion on the bottom. Let's go down to the daily. So as of right now, we're still below these previous higher lows on the daily. So that's interesting. If we wanted to, we could draw a fib from like point A, point B, point C. From that perspective, being that it's still underneath this area of previous support, but we're just gonna have to see how it reacts from here. Now we noticed before that it already rejected here. Why did I do that? It already rejected here once. It basically rejected twice, but what did it do when it rejected twice? It created a higher low, meaning that we do still have this bullish volume as of right now. So I'm looking forward to some sort of break above. If it does break above, I'm looking for longs potentially to these highs are all the way up here. I'm just gonna have to look at this one over the week just to see how it does, how it reacts to this point. But I wouldn't trade anything as of right now. I'm not long, I'm not short or anything like that. I'm just watching, not really making any major decisions. Just seeing how things erupt from here. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm chilling. But yeah, this is a higher low. So we're definitely seeing a lot of bullish signs here. So it could continue up. We're just gonna have to see. Next thing is gold. So gold made this huge push last week. I mentioned that we had a box right here that it was consolidating, came all the way down to this area of support and pushed all the way up there. So as of right now, since it's all the way up here, simply just looking for a pullback for an opportunity, something like this. Simple as that. Let's go on to GU. GU bullish as well, similar to gold, where it did have that consolidation, but then made that big push. Last week I was anticipating a pullback back to this area, but we didn't get that. The significance of this area was that it was a previous area of resistance. We also saw a lot of liquidity at this point, so I was expecting it to come back here, but it didn't do that. It kept pushing. It is what it is. I'm sort of expecting that for this coming week. I got a feel from point A, point B. Let's do point B. So we could get a potential point C all the way down to just 0.5 or 0.618, but it's a matter of just waiting. Next thing is EJ. So I'm bullish on this. We had this counter trend line which price broke out of, and what did it do after that? It created this beautiful higher low right here. So anticipating longs all the way up here, obviously hitting this negative 0.27. I wouldn't be surprised it comes all the way up here, at least to this area of support or resistance on the higher time frames. AU. So looking at this, I have this trend line here, but we're pretty much in this range, right? Seeing right here, we have area resistance rejected once, rejected twice, and it's coming back into the area right now. And on the bottom as well, we have this area support, respected multiple times. I might have to clear my chart because it's looking crazy right now. Like, man, definitely take the time to refresh your jump, because, man, what? All right. So yeah, I'm going to be analyzing this area right here. I wouldn't be surprised if it does break above. As of right now, we are seeing those bullish signs, have areas of resistance being broken and used as an area of support. So we are still getting those consistent high highs and higher lows. We have exhaustion on the bottom of this bullish candle. So yeah, hella bullish right now. Looking forward to a break above this. If not, it will respect it and could potentially fly back down, just like it did these prior 2 times. Yeah, so also in correlation with this higher time frame trend line right here, we have a point, we have an A, basically B, and then potential C right here. So yeah, and then I already went over gold. Bitcoin, we're at 83. So I read an article this morning saying that it could go either one or two ways based off this certain analyst. He was saying that it could either go down to 70,000, which I was already anticipating. You already see the arrow, bro. You already see the arrow. I had that since like November or something like that. You see the arrow already. So the guy was saying that it could either go to 70,000 or 300,000, one or two ways. Either way, I don't care, and I'm going to keep my money in regardless, whether it goes straight up to 300,000 or whether it comes back down to 70,000. Overall, I'm bullish on Bitcoin for the future. I'm not only looking for Bitcoin for a few months or the next year, but the next 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years for the future. So I'm chilling. We're just going to have to see. And buy when people are scared. Simple as that. Buy when others are selling. That's a wrap, though. I got hospital tomorrow. I'm going to work. So I got to keep it short. Got to keep it sweet. Got to keep it productive. I'm just talking, bro. I'm about to go to bed and prepare for the week. Preparation is key. Be ready. Don't get ready. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Tap into my other videos, man. I've been trying to run it up for y'all. So stay tuned for the other videos I got this week. And yeah, I'll catch y'all.